You know you should be watching QVC, but not for the reasons you think. Hey, it's Don Skaggs, again with Empowered Inventing TV, where we try to help you help other people by taking your great innovation, the right opportunity, mixing that with sound wisdom so you can turn them into real things like products and businesses that make money. And those people you help, they say thank you. Please let us give you the opportunity to continue helping us by sending you certificates of appreciation called dollar bills. Now today I want to tell you that I believe that you should be watching QVC. Now, I'm not an ad person for QVC. I'm not even a fan of QVC. But, except in this one case, because I think you should be watching QVC, but not for the reasons that you probably think. And by the way, don't count out, you think, Don, QVC, wasn't that like a 1990s thing? Isn't that like old as dirt now? But no, don't count out QVC or other home shopping networks. QVC sold as much as $14 billion in 2018. Now, they did a little less now. I think the pandemic probably had something to do with that. I think they're doing about 11 billion today. Still, it's nothing to sneeze at. They have over 15 million customers buying 236 million products. Yeah, that's a lot. So even in the age, or near the end of the age of cable TV, which is kind of where I think we're at, if not almost to the end of it, I guess there's still people with cable TV out there. They really pack quite the punch. So why? Well, I've got one really good reason as to why. Because they know how to sell stuff. And they're really, really good at it. So Don, do you mean, are you trying to tell me that I need to sell my product on QVC? Well, that might be a good idea if your product's a fit and you're ready, but that's not my point here at all. And if that's what you're thinking, you're going to miss it, so pay attention. Because my point is that they know how to sell stuff really, really well. And this could be an amazing resource hiding in plain sight right now for inventors and entrepreneurs. So, go fire up the TV or the app. Yes, they have an app. If I watch it, it's going to be on Roku or Apple TV or something. So fire up the app. Hide your credit cards if you're prone to wanting to buy stuff. That's a discussion for another time. And get out a notebook instead, because it's the start of training time for you. QVC is still successful for a reason. They spend untold amounts of money, of this I'm sure, on saying each word at each time, like apples of gold or in pictures of silver. Those perfectly fit words, those fitly spoken words, just the right words in just the right places, perfectly fit to do one thing, to get their customers see their need to order what they're offering. Oh, you would want this because of this, and oh yes, I do. How do they convince them? Because they have fitly those fitly spoken words, those words that are just in the right place at the right time. They have honed this down to an amazing science. And if you sit back and watch them, you can pick up on those things. Now, don't just watch what they're doing. You'll miss it. Watch how they're doing it. When I watch things, especially very good things, you know, sometimes I kind of try to distance myself from the what of what they're talking about, and try to kind of dig down behind the curtain and see if I can pick out how they're doing it. Because this is key. If you can watch, take notes, and catch on to how they sell something, you can probably apply it to your own product or business, regardless of how different it is. This will take watching, listening over time to start to see those patterns, because those patterns will emerge. And you'll start seeing these patterns of how they coax people into seeing the value of the rest. That's why I think QVC, what is it, quality, value, I forget the C now, but it's something like that. Commitment, that's I'm sure that's not right, but it's quality, value, something. But that was their whole thing, is we want just you to see the value of what we have to the point where you see that you need it, or you see that you want it. And that's what they're really, really good at. It's not the products, it's not the what, it's the how they do it. That's their secret sauce. So you'll watch these patterns emerge if you really start paying attention. And then you'll see how, ooh, well, you know the way they said that, I could change that a little bit. I could fit it just exactly around mine and really make mine as effective, my communication of my product or startup, just as effective as what they're doing when they're selling something so you're standing on their shoulders, basically. That's what I'm saying here. So are you using QVC and because there's other ones like QVC you can watch and see. I'm focusing on QVC. They're kind of the juggernaut. They bought HSN. They're kind of the as far as the home shopping networks still go, they're kind of still the big kid on the block, I think. So are you watching them or other ones like them as a sales training tool for your product or business? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn how to sell like QVC, well, we've actually got an upcoming course about that. So sign up for that now. You get on the waiting list at empoweredinventing.com. I'm Don Skaggs. This is Empowered Inventing TV. Like, subscribe, help us to build that tribe. And I will look to see you at the next meeting, workshop, online course, or on the next video.